Caritas Microfinance Bank imejitolea muhanga kwa kuwawezesha Wakenya kupata fedha kwa urahisi ili kujenga rasilimali na kujiendeleza. Maisha ya jamii yamebadilika na kuimarika. Msingi wa jamii ni utulivu wa familia iliyoimarika. Ukiwa na mradi unayohitaji kuimarishwa, tuna utu. Karibu zungumze nasi. Caritas Microfinance Bank.
Imarika, imarika we.
Exclusive interview coming to you live from Caritas Microfinance Bank headquarters at Cardinal OTUNGA PLAZA, as we bring you a very exciting conversation that is back to school. And well, that's why we have partnered with Caritas Microfinance Bank to make sure that your back to school is smoother and of course stress-free. And joining me right now we have Caritas Microfinance Bank representative, and he's going to be sharing more insight about Caritas Microfinance Bank and how they can be able to help the parents to make sure the students go back to school the way it's supposed to be. And well, in case you'd love to share your comments and of course your questions with us, you can do that on 0717-424-866, or you can use the SMS number that is 21760. Stay tuned for more exciting advice and solution in this conversation. A very good morning to you, Stephen. Welcome.
Good morning, Maureen, and thank you for having me.
Thank you too for making time and actually for joining us to have this conversation about back to school. And I know back to school has already started today. The whole of this week, the parents and students going to be up and down to make sure they go back to school, and this was the perfect time. Yes. But first, kindly introduce yourself to the viewer. Tell them who you are and what you do at Caritas Microfinance Bank.
Thank you, Maureen. My name is Stephen Onyango. Relationship manager, consumer business. That is basically people dealing with. I'm dealing with payslip, individual, and either payslip or salary or wages. So that is basically what consumer entails. Yes.
All right. Thank you very much, Stephen, for that introduction. And I understand that getting everything in order as a parent, sometimes it can be a challenge. And actually, as the back to school has already approached, how does Caritas Microfinance Bank support parents during this time?
Now, Maureen, over the period, Caritas Microfinance Bank has been in existence for close to 9 years now. Mm-hmm. We've continued to tailor-made product to suit the interest of our customers, and we continue to get information and ways to improve our services through our customers. So we've collected information, and we know some of the needs our customers have. Mm-hmm. So one of the product, and because we all know the importance of education, we are told it's the equalizer of our society. Caritas Microfinance Bank has a product for education. Now, we called it a KIMA educational loan. So this product is tailor-made to be able to ease the burden to the parents, to be able to help people get that knowledge and skills that they require for our society, because we know a well-educated society actually spurs growth. We've seen what the Gen Zs did, and we know the importance of education. Yeah. They articulate issues well enough, and you can actually see that issues that cannot be shied away, and it's important that they be addressed.
Okay.
Yeah, so Caritas Microfinance Bank has a KIMA educational loan, which we give to all our customers, regardless of whether you're in business or you're in salary. And now this product is tailor-made to be able to be paid directly to the school. But it doesn't mean that we are restricting it. Like I've said, I started by mentioning that I deal with the salaried individual. It doesn't mean that only the salaried individual can qualify for this product. Even the business individual. We have companies. We have people, anyone who is has a need for education, either to further their studies or to pay for their children. We can come in and be able to assist.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. And still on that, could you kindly elaborate further? What are some of the requirements that one needs to make sure you are eligible to get this loan?
Depending on which type of business, let me zero into the salaried individual. Now, for the salaried individual, we'll just require to see that you have the ability to repay. That is important. And we also require that you give us a fee structure, sort of, for us to substantiate, because the money is meant for, if it's meant for the school, then it must be paid to the school. Yeah. So we also require that you give us your pay slip, 3 months pay slip, a bank statement, copy of your ID and KRA PIN, which are the KYC normal documents.
Okay.
So those are basically the few documents that we require. But for business people, these documents may vary depending on what kind of business you do. Because one, we must first confirm that you have the ability to pay, you have the willingness, because there are some with the ability but not willingness.
Okay.
So the ability to pay, the willingness, and bank also will check on the fallback plan in terms of when is defaulted. What is the fallback plan for the bank? Yeah, so those are basically the few things that we check. But it's a case to case. So individual may come to the bank to be able to be advised, or even call our lines. Yes.
All right. Okay, thank you very much for that, Stephen. And as we continue with the interview, could you elaborate on the features and benefits of the Caritas Microfinance Bank account, that is a salary account and Imarisha account? And of course, you can be able to, give the viewers the difference between the two.
Now, we at Caritas Bank, we have several accounts. We have business accounts. We have that is in personal account. We have joint account. We have several other accounts, just like other banks. But going to your question, which is the salary account and the Imarisha. So the salary account is tailor-made for people who are salaried, who receive either monthly or weekly pay. So that product is meant for them. Now, what this product does is that it gives you an opportunity for a salary to be channeled at Caritas Microfinance Bank. And you can also be able to get, okay, one of the best benefits of this product is that it does not have charges. You don't have to, it does not have the withdrawal charges and such. So this product is tailor-made to be able to assist our customers to be able to channel their salaries here. So in the Imarisha, it's also Imarisha Junior account is one of the products that help to inculcate the culture of savings to our junior under 18, which you can open for your kids and start inculcating that culture of savings. Apart from that, we also have incentive like the piggy bank. For us, we call it Dovey Bank. Yes, because it's a dove. Remember, we are a church, so anything must be related to the church. So we call it Dovey Bank, where our kids can be able, you can inculcate that culture of savings to our kids. So I encourage all the parents to start saving for their parents. They can either be saving for purposes of education, they can either be saving for purposes of medication. And one of the benefits of this product is that it has a very competitive interest rate. Now, if you are saving towards a goal, probably, let's say, in the next 2 to 3 years, your kid will be going to a secondary school. You can actually save and get some interest on your money. So that is a very important component in that product. Another benefit is that it's also easy to utilize. Remember, our product, we've heavily invested on digital solution. So you can actually deposit for free. So meaning we have a Caritas solution, which is we call it Lipana Caritas, where you can be able to deposit for free anytime you want at your convenient place. So those are some of the few features of these products, which are I encourage all the parents to take advantage of, and also the salaried individual to just take advantage of this product. So beside the normal features that we've seen, Caritas Microfinance Bank have come up with various other solutions to be able to meet our needs. So we continue to listen to our customers, and we continue to develop product that suits their interest. We also have a product known as an account known as Maono account. Yes, just like the name suggests, you have a vision. Maono is vision. You have a vision to save and to be able to accomplish a certain goal. So you can come in and be able to save for that particular purpose, and to be able, one of the also benefit of all these accounts is that you can also get facilities from them. You can get loans from them. When you utilize them well, we can use them to analyze and be able to make a solution, make a decision as to whether you qualify for a facility or not. So we'll encourage our parents out there. We encourage all the teachers out there to kindly visit any of our branches and be able to take advantage of this product. Yes.
Okay. And as we talk about parents helping their kids to save for future, is there any limitation of the amount they're supposed to pay?
No, actually one of the advantages of this product, it does not have any minimum charges. It also does not have fees for you to deposit, meaning you can deposit as little as 100 shillings. So it's very convenient for the parents, and we encourage each parents to be able to take advantage of this. One of the areas that we also have invested on as a bank, it's important to mention that we do financial literacy to our customers. So one of the areas is saving, and of course, because we have financial constraints here and there, we encourage our parents to save more. So this is one of the ways that we encourage our parents to just save for their kids, for either purposes of education or purposes of medication, whichever purpose. And all these accounts, you also can be eligible to get facilities like loans for purposes of medication. You can also get for purposes of school fee, for any other purpose that you may have. Okay. Yes.
Right. We've been able to dwell a lot on the parents and, of course, the students. What are some of the products that you offer for the teachers?
Now, for our teachers, remember we have people who are employed by the TSC. For them, we have very good product for them, known as check-off loans. For TSC individual, and I know they are the majority in this country, over 300,000 and above, we have a product for them known as check-off loan, where we give facilities depending on their ability. We can give facility depending on their ability to pay, and our period is also prolonged. We can do up to 120 months. Another features of this product is that it has a very competitive interest rate compared to other product, and also compared to other facilities, like if you are in business. Remember the CBK recently mentioned that banks must implement the we call this risk-based analysis. So you are rated based on on the perceived risk. So for teachers, we encourage each and one of them. We know it's not a very risky affair. So we encourage, and we've given a very competitive interest rate compared to other banks as well. So we encourage them to come to be able to try our product. Our check-off facilities are very quick, a quick approval process, a competitive interest rate, and of course we give feedback in terms of. You see, it's important to be telling customers if they don't qualify, why do they not qualify? So we encourage that we also give feedback in terms of what they can do for them to qualify, for those of us who be able to, who do not qualify. Apart from that, we can also do top-ups from other institutions. We can do top-ups from within our loan. We can also do buy-off from other institutions, meaning we can pay them, the other institutions, and bring them to Caritas. So we encourage all our teachers, kindly come and join the Caritas Microfinance Bank. We are ready to serve you, and we are here. Yes.
All right. As we continue, I understand sometimes that when maybe as a person you are applying for these loans, you can, you can have some delay. As Caritas Microfinance Bank, what are you doing to ensure that these teachers, these parents are able to access and to process their loans exactly at the right time?
So Caritas Microfinance Bank is one of the banks that we really embrace TAT. We call it TAT, turnaround time of our product. And consumer segment has well been known to be a quick turnaround for our customers. So we really, for our teachers, because the process, even the booking of the facilities is done online, it's something that within 24 hours you're able to get your facilities and you're done with it. So I can guarantee you, we have a quick approval process. We have very robust system within ourselves, so you can be sure that we shall not have any delays. Provided also on your end, you also provide all the documentation as you've been asked, so that on our side, we can be able to fast track.
Okay.
Yes.
Right, thank you very much for that. And as we continue, you can see we are getting some feedback on the other side of the studio. We have Marunda Wanjiku, who is saying, following from Cardinal OTUNGA Annex, Caritas is the place to be. Looking forward to school fees solution. Wow, very nice. Thank you very much, Wanjiku, for that comment and feedback. As we continue with our studio, I think we're going to take a very short break, but when we come back, we shall continue more on this conversation about back to school. And remember, we are helping to provide solution and ideas, tips for you as you plan to make sure your kid is getting back to school. And as a teacher, as a parent, everyone, is catered for, because we all know that education is very vital for everyone. Stay tuned for that, and please do keep more, comments for us, and you can share that on 0717 44 866, or you can use the SMS number that is 21760. Stay tuned for the second part.
Caritas Microfinance Bank imejitolea muhanga kwa kuwawezesha Wakenya kupata fedha kwa urahisi ili kujenga rasilimali na kujiendeleza. Maisha ya jamii yamebadilika na kuimarika. Msingi wa jamii ni utulivu wa familia iliyoimarika. Ukiwa na mradi unayohitaji kuimarishwa, tuna utu. Karibu zungumze nasi. Caritas Microfinance Bank.
Imarika, imarika we.
Kipaimara ni sakramenti yenye kumpa Mkristu Roho Mtakatifu na ukamilifu wa mapaji yake 7, kumfanya Mkristu mkamilifu na kumfanya shahidi hodari wa Yesu Kristo mpaka kufa.
Kupata kipaimara kama skiza tuni yako, tuma neno skiza likifuatwa na nambari 738100272 kwa 811.
Hello dear viewer, welcome back to this conversation that is coming to you live at Caritas Microfinance Bank headquarters at Cardinal OTUNGA Plaza as we bring you this conversation about back to school. And in case you are joining us right now, please do welcome to this conversation and do share your feedback and comments with us as we continue to engage on how Caritas Microfinance Bank is helping teachers, parents to make sure they are back to school is smoother and of course stress-free. So we're continuing to give you solutions, ideas and tips for more conversation about back to school. Thank you very much. And of course, joining me right now here we have Stephen Onyango, who is helping us to get more insights about how Caritas Microfinance Bank is making good strides to make sure education continues for the young people. Karibu sana and welcome back for the second part.
Thank you, Maureen.
Yeah, and in case you, for the person who is joining us, would you kindly just give them a few, brief of what you've been talking about?
Now, we've been talking about the back to school.
Yes.
And some of the solutions Caritas Microfinance Bank offer. And we've been telling them that it's important to note that the bank, Caritas Microfinance Bank, which has also been in existence for quite some time now, for 9 years or so, that continue to provide solution to our customers. Our vision is that we are a financial institution that add value to all. So we are very passionate to add value to our client, and we take keen interest on education, which is, as we've said, is a provider, and it's an equalizer to our society. Yes. So Caritas Microfinance Bank keep providing solutions to our customers. Yes.
All right. Okay. I understand that Caritas Microfinance is the fastest growing microfinance bank here in Kenya, and of course, a best microfinance bank in the use of digital solutions to enhance customer experience. Talking about digital solutions, what services can schools and institutions use to enhance banking services experience?
Now, Maureen, we all understand and we've seen the power of technology in the recent past. Yeah. We've seen, even with the Gen Z, what they were able to do and be able to mobilize resources everywhere. And Caritas Microfinance Bank has heavily invested on our technology. That is actually one of the areas that the bank is taking very keen interest, because we want to reach our customer wide wherever they are, at their comfort of their home. Now, with that, Caritas Microfinance Bank has come out with a solution known as Caritas Pay. So the Caritas Pay has various other functions that you can be able to use, to utilize. So it provides an efficient way for teachers to be able to monitor their income, be able to make payment, very convenient way like the Lipa na Caritas I was telling you, which is it's free actually. And it hits your account immediately. You'll be able to deposit the funds. We also have solution like PesaLink. So our bank has heavily invested on technology, and we actually won the Digital Solution Award of the Year. So our bank continue to invest and to be able to listen to our customers and be able to invest on whatever solution that can be able to help our customers. Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much for that. And as we continue, so many schools are looking to expand and improve our facilities, because I remember during the flooding time, so many schools were affected. As Caritas Microfinance Bank, what solutions do you have for schools looking to undertake constructions projects?
Now, we also have a solution for schools and institutions where we give them a facility known as Shepherd account. So the Shepherd account involves where we're giving institutions, schools, either for purposes of development of the classes, improvement of the classes, either for purposes of even paying the teachers. So we have a solution for them. We encourage each and every school, wherever they are, to visit our bank. We can also be able to give them facilities, and if they are Catholic institution, we can also actually give them unsecured facilities. Unsecured meaning without security. Now, we encourage our teachers and the owners of the schools as well to be able to come to our bank, because we have a solution for them. Yes.
Okay. All right. And we also have another comment here from Pastor Henry Ayora from Bugita. Siku njema kwa Daniel Busire, William Mekenya, John Obiri, Andrew Mbaka, Joshua Oro, na walimu wenzangu wote wa Gileo, na wajoin Caritas Microfinance Bank. Of course, he's trying to, mobilize all the teachers and parents out there to come to Caritas Microfinance Bank. Thank you very much, Pastor Henry, for that feedback. All right, please do share some insights on how, Caritas Microfinance Bank have been able to, or when it comes to memorandum of understanding. Because I understand that Caritas Microfinance Bank is known to, collaborate with various institutions. Could you kindly shed more light on that?
Yes. It's important to mention that Caritas Microfinance Bank has entered into a MOU, or Memorandum of Understanding, with various institutions, including the ministries. All the ministries can come to our bank. All the ministries' employees can come to our bank. They qualify for unsecured facilities. Unsecured, when I mention unsecured, it's important to note that they are not secured loan. We don't ask for security for their facilities. Now we have MOU with ministries. We have MOU with private institutions, the likes of CITAM. We have the likes of KQ. We have various ministries that maybe we cannot have time to mention all of them. But we encourage even the county's employees. We have MOUs with them. So one of the qualifications of having an MOU with us is you must have at least over 20 and above employees. And then we will come, we'll see how much we can be able to give your employees. So it's important for us to understand you faster, to see the frequency of your payment, and even the turnover rate of your staff and such, for us to make a decision as to how much we can be able to give and at what rate. Yes, but we have several MOUs. We have various MOUs to all the counties, all the ministries, and various parastatals, the likes of TARDA, CALRO, KNH. Employees can be able to qualify for our facilities. We also have church employees. Yes, so we have various MOUs that we can be able to join. And anyone who also feel like joining the bank, kindly feel free to contact us. We can be able to come and be able to do an analysis and make a decision as to whether we can be able to partner or not. Yes, but we welcome everyone.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. And as we continue the conversation on back to school, are there any offers that Caritas Microfinance Bank has at the moment for the parents and teachers to join?
Yes, we have offers. We actually have, like I'd mentioned, we have a very competitive rate for educational loan. So it's very competitive, as I'm telling you. So we encourage all the parents to kindly visit any of our branches. We encourage all our Christians, whether you're in business, whether you're in you're salaried, kindly visit any of our branches. You'll be able to get a solution for you. Yes.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much for that. And what about for those ones who are interested to join Caritas Microfinance Bank, in general, not as much as a teacher or a parent? What are some of the requirements that are needed, and how can they be able to get in touch with Caritas Microfinance Bank?
Now, Caritas Microfinance Bank has, we currently have 11 branches all over the country. We have a marketing office in Homa Bay. We have Eldoret. We have a branch in Nakuru branch. We also have Thika. We also have Nyeri and Karori. We have Donholm branch. We have in town here. So we continue to grow, and since we also have close to 130 agents that are also spread across our country, so which you can be able to access us. But beside that, we've also, like I've told you, invested in technology. So you don't need to be in those areas for you to open an account. So the bank has come up with a solution known as a digital app, where you can be able to open an account wherever, at the comfort of your house, wherever you are, regardless of whether the bank is physically there or not. So you just you download, you Play Store, you go to Caritas Pay, and you'll be able to, it will prompt you to give instruction as to whether you want to open an account or not. So whether you want to open an account, it will prompt you on the steps that you need to take, close to like 4 steps, where you upload your ID, your selfie, and there you are, you open an account. That is how simple joining the bank is. So go to Caritas Pay, just click join and sign up, and then you'll be able to follow the steps. It will prompt you on the steps that you need to take for you to open an account. Yeah, so we encourage each and everyone. You don't have a reason not to open an account because you are far away from our branches. So everyone is free to join, and it's very convenient. Yes, and also we are coming up with the USSD, where when you're dialing *810, you can also give you an option of opening an account. So the bank keeps improving and be able to get solutions to all our customers.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. And any advice that you'd love to share to the teachers and parents out there concerning the back to school?
I know there was a looming strike that was highly anticipated from today, actually. So I know we have financial constraints for our teachers, and we feel for them actually, and we really understand some of the things they go through. And personally, I think they are one of the vital component of our society. So we are coming up with a solution for you as a bank. And our interest, as I told you, as our vision is to add value to all. We we can assure you as teachers, we continue to add value to you. We'll continue to listen to you and develop product that will be able to suit you. Regardless of whether you're a TSC teacher or not, you can come to our bank and be able to qualify for a facility. Now the bank is growing. We are not where we were 9 years ago or 5 years ago. The bank has won over 5 times or 6 times the fastest bank, and we actually even emerged the first runners-up microfinance bank in this country. And from the projection, the bank will be soon be a fully fledged bank, not a microfinance bank. Now, as we grow, the bank will want to grow with you. All the Catholic listening and non-Catholics, the bank will want to grow with you. As we grow and open those branches, kindly be part of the growth by opening an account, by being part of the solutions, by advising us and getting solutions here and there. So as we grow and become, we play with now the big boys in the industry. Be part of it before it becomes a full bank, because there's no doubt that is the direction. That is the direction the bank is taking.
Okay.
So kindly join in. We have product, and whatever our customers want, we tailor-made product for them. We've continued to listen, and we will continue to listen to them to be able to provide solutions to our bank and to our customers. Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. What a beautiful, interesting conversation. I can see so many people are, keeping the comments coming, and so many are asking of your contacts. How can they get in touch? And of which by the end of this interview, we shall be able to give it all to you. But allow me to read 2 more comments here. We have Johnson from Nakuru, who is saying, Caritas imewahi nisaidia sana, not only na school fees, but pia na loan ya kujiendeleza. Heko na Mungu awabariki. Thank you very much, Johnson. We have Marunda Wanjiko. So far, so good. Mr. Stephen, kindly clarify on the amount limit and the period of payment for check-off loans and other salaried staffs.
Thank you. I will start with Johnson. We are grateful that you got assisted, and we have so many customers who also have given positive feedback. We will receive all, both positive and negative. And for Marunda, I would like to say that for check-off facilities, we can give our maximum loans currently is at 120 months, and we give up to 4 million. But like I've said, it depends on your ability to pay. I would not want us to limit to 4 million, because things are subject to change. If people can qualify more than that, then it can be looked at. Yes. But for check-off facilities, we give up to 120 months. The interest rate, as we had mentioned, is it's competitive. I would not want to mention, because now it is what we call a risk-based analysis. So if the perceived risk of your institution is to be higher, then the interest rate should tend to be higher. And now if it is lower, then it tends to be lower. But I can say, and I can confirm that our rates are very competitive in the market. Yes.
Okay, all right. I can see so many comments about, please do share your phone number. Could you kindly give the viewers, because they are all asking about the phone number, on how they can be able to get in touch with Caritas Microfinance Bank at the moment?
Yes, I'm sure we can be able to share down there.
Yes, we can.
Yes, our lines are open. Kindly, it's 0729 986 331.
All right. Yeah, that is 0729 86 0729 86
0729 986 331.
All right, you've been able to get the phone number, and of course you can be able to get in touch with Caritas Microfinance Bank on all of their social media platforms. They are open 24/7, and as well you can be able to download their Caritas app at Play Store, and for those ones who have the Play Store, App Store,
yes.
all of them are all welcome.
Yes.
And thank you very much, Stephen, for sharing those valuable insights and beautiful comments. And I hope as a viewer you've been able to capture, solutions and tips to make sure that your back to school is more softer and easy for you all. Yeah. As we wind up, any parting shot you'd love to share?
Now, like I mentioned, this channel is for Catholics. Let me address the Catholic. Now, the Catholic fraternity, this is one of your institutions. And it's important for us to be part of the growth of this bank. Kindly join in, be able to spur this bank to the next level. This is your bank. No one will grow it apart from you. Make sure that it is where it is supposed to be. We know of all our institutions to be very, very stable, like the schools and the churches and the hospitals of Catholic Church to be very stable. Now, I can assure you we have a very qualified management who are very visionary and very determined to make sure that the visions are achieved. Join in and make sure that as we grow together. Let us have make solutions for ourselves, and that is why we continue to listen to you, and that is why we continue to provide solutions to everyone here. Mm-hmm. So thank you, and kindly make sure that you be part of the growth of Caritas Microfinance Bank.
Mm-hmm. All right, thank you very much to you, Stephen, for that, and making sure that the viewers and the people who were following us online, they have been able to capture lots of, as you can be able to tell, the comments, the feedback from the viewers was very, interesting, and commenting about Caritas Microfinance Bank, how they've been able to help them in terms of, loans and school fees, all of that. So thank you very much, and a very big thank you to Caritas Microfinance Bank as well for making education accessible to everyone. All right, so with that, I shall, wind up our interview here at Caritas Microfinance Bank. Thank you to all of you who are following us, and please do make sure you follow and go check out our Caritas Microfinance Bank social media platforms for any queries and questions. And of course, you can also, keep in touch with Capuchin TV, and we will be able to revert you to Caritas Microfinance Bank, people who are concerned and about that. So thank you very much to all of you. Wishing you a very good day and fruitful one as you continue to prepare yourself to get back to school. And I hope to see you next time as we shall continue with this conversation. And of course, as Caritas Microfinance Bank, who offers so many services, please do check out, of course, the product as well. So thank you very much. My name is Maureen Kimani, and allow me to say thank you to Capuchin TV crew who are behind the scenes, starting with Charles Marviton. We have Kelvin Zisa, we have Justus Okari, Eric Otieno, and Cyrus. Thank you very much, and not forgetting Peter Mwangi on the other side of the studio, who has been able to, give us the comment and the feedback from the viewers. Thank you very much. God bless. See you next time.
Kiukulima, kiteknolojia
Caritas Microfinance Bank imejitolea muhanga kwa kuwawezesha Wakenya kupata fedha kwa urahisi ili kujenga rasilimali na kujiendeleza. Maisha ya jamii yamebadilika na kuimarika. Msingi wa jamii ni utulivu wa familia iliyoimarika. Ukiwa na mradi unayohitaji kuimarishwa, tuna utu. Karibu zungumze nasi. Caritas Microfinance Bank.
Imarika, imarika we. Jamii kuimarika ni vikundi kuungana, muungano wa kujisaidia na uhusiano na Caritas. Imarika, imarika we.
Kimasomo, kibiashara, kiukulima, kiteknolojia.
Caritas Microfinance Bank imejitolea muhanga kwa kuwawezesha Wakenya kupata fedha kwa urahisi ili kujenga rasilimali na kujiendeleza. Maisha ya jamii yamebadilika na kuimarika. Msingi wa jamii ni utulivu wa familia iliyoimarika. Ukiwa na mradi unayohitaji kuimarishwa, tuna utu. Karibu zungumze nasi. Caritas Microfinance Bank.
Imarika, imarika we.